Hi students, in this video class I am going to explain you about the wrapper class character wrapper class. In the previous class I had explained the functions of numeric wrapper classes like integer wrapper class, float wrapper class, and in this class I am going to explain you about the different functions present in character wrapper class. This wrapper class is only used to handle single character, not more than one character at a time. It provides many functions and all the functions are static. It means you have to call using the class name. Class name is character. Wrapper class name is character. These are the functions name which I have written here. Is uppercase, is lowercase, is letter, is digit, is letter or digit, is white space, to uppercase, to lowercase. There are many functions. Here I am going to discuss these functions. There are 8 functions I have written. First is 6 functions. Return Boolean value. Whenever you pass one character as a parameter here, it will check and return a Boolean value in the form of true or false. Any Boolean constant can be returned by the function. See here, if I pass a character to it, it will check it is capital or not. If it is capital, it will return true, otherwise false. Same way, to check is small letter, to check is letter function is used to check only if the character is alphabet, it will return true. Either it is capital or small, it will return true. Other than this, it will return false. Through a small segment of program, I am going to explain all these functions one by one. So I told you guys, first 6 functions returns Boolean value, but last 2 functions return character value after converting into small letter or capital letter. If character is small, it will convert into capital. If character is capital, it will convert into small. These 2 functions return character type value. So suppose this is the function public static void main. Generally we write string arguments. I am writing char a character ch. Character type variable I have declared here in the parameter. You can input also the character either using BlueJ IDE. This is called the input character for this function. Now we have to check what type of character it is. First way, to take one Boolean variable like k and write k equal to character dot is letter. I am using this function first of all and pass this character, single character. If this character is an alphabet, value of k will be true, otherwise false. You can print and check. You can even print this character, it will print either true or false, or you can also check like this. If character dot is letter ch. I have written here like this, character dot is letter ch. I have written within the if block. If the value of this block is true, it means if it is an alphabet, it will be true, and you can print system dot out dot print alphabet. It is an alphabet. Else you can print not an alphabet, any message you can give, it means other than alphabet. This is the main function, and afterwards you can create the class here. Now, so in place of writing, I have written direct this function. In place of writing this function, you can also check like this. You can use the use k variable if k equal to true. It is an alphabet, else it is not an alphabet. Or even you can write if k. This is also correct. If true, then this statement, if false, then else statement. You can also use Boolean letter like this. So these are the different methods which you can use this function. Now some more functions we will discuss. If I write if character dot is digit, print it is a digit, else not a digit. It is a digit means any digit from 0 to 9, not a digit. So this is the function. Suppose character variable ch contain a character like this, a single digit 8, then it will be true and it will print this statement. If it is not 8, if the value of ch is suppose an alphabet or any other special character, so else block will execute because it will return false. Same way, next function is letter or digit. Is letter or digit, it means in place of is digit you can use is letter or digit this function. See here, L capital, O capital, R capital, D capital. This is a big function name. Function name is big. Is letter or digit. This function name is found by using 4 words. Is, letter or digit. 4 words you can see. First character of the function is always small. Please remember one thing. First character of the function is always small and the first character of each word is capital. Letter word is there, L capital, or word is there, O capital, digit word is there, D is capital. So in such a way you can learn the name of the function. These are some assumptions used by the Java to provide the function's name. I am just explaining the how you have to learn this function's name. See here, just like is uppercase, U capital, C capital. So let's continue with the working of this function. You can use is letter or digit instead of digit. Is letter or character dot is letter. You have to write character dot is letter or digit. So it means if value of ch variable either 8 or any alphabet, maybe capital or small, then it will return true value. It means it will execute this statement whatever you write here, otherwise else block will execute. So these are the ways to execute the functions. So let's check is uppercase. Is uppercase will only check whether the character is capital or not. Is lowercase to check input character small letter or not. Is white space just to check whether the character is space. Space means space within single inverted comma, only single character. If it is space, then it will return true. And now 2 more functions, 2 uppercase and 2 lowercase. So 2 uppercase function used to convert, I am using the same variable ch equal to character dot to uppercase and pass the character. So after printing you can check the value of ch will be in capital letter. It is always in capital letter. If the value of ch is in small letter, it will convert to capital. Capital will remain capital, but if it is other than alphabet, maybe a digit, maybe any special character, then it will remain same. Nothing will be happen. It will remain same. Only it will convert small letter to capital letter. Same with 2 lowercase function, it converts capital to small. Through small segment of program, I am going to explain you this program. Character ch we have input. Now we have to check what type of character it is. It should be printed here. If character dot is letter and you can print here it is an alphabet. I am writing if character dot is digit, system dot out dot print it is a digit. You can provide any message here. If character dot is uppercase, here I am writing it is capital letter. In such a way you can apply all these function, first 6 function, to check whether it is alphabet or a digit or a capital letter or a small letter for is lowercase or a space. In such a way you can use these functions. That's all.